How to use green screen on TikTok with pictures. First of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here, you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on the plus icon. This is the TikTok camera screen. You can take photos or videos to post on TikTok from here. Now tap on the effect option on the left of the capture button. Then, tap on All Effects at the bottom. Here, you can view all the available effects on TikTok. Now tap on the search icon as shown. In the search bar, type in green screen. Now scroll down and select any green screen effect from here. You can now upload any photo from your camera roll with this green screen effect. Select the photo of your choice and edit it as you like. You can also add a sound to this photo if you want. After that, tap on Next at the bottom right corner. Following these steps, you can easily use green screen on TikTok with pictures.